show you how to make an ice lemon. The ingredients are ice cube, a lemon, some water, a knife, and some sugar. And this is a glass and a tablespoon. First step, slice the lemon like this into one piece. Like this. Take out the seed. Squeeze into the glass. And then next, add a teaspoonful of sugar. After that, pour the water into the glass. And then, stir it.
Yes.
Finally, add some ice cube and ice lemon ready to be sweet. Okay, I think that's all.